How to fix screen goes off when plugging in the charger on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the screen goes off when plugging in the charger on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the system option. Under system, you need to go with power and battery. Under power and battery, you need to go with the power mode. And under your power mode, make sure that you choose the option of best power efficiency or the best performance. And after that, your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply search for CMD, open it as an administrator, click on yes, and here you just need to simply copy paste the command which is in the description and hit the enter, and after that restart your device and your problem may be fixed. But if that again doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the third method. So open up your settings and then go with the system option. Under system, go with display. Under display, you need to go with HDR. Under HDR, you just need to simply scroll down and here you will have related settings. Go with the related settings which has video playback. And under the battery options, make sure to go with the drop down. And under the drop down, you need to select the optimize for video quality option. And after that, you can check if your problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to update or reinstall your graphics driver. So what you need to do is simply right click on your Windows and then go with the device manager. Under your device manager, now make sure to expand the display adapters option. Under your display adapters, select the driver and go with update driver. Go with the first option, which is search automatically for drivers. And once you've done, you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix screen goes off when plugging in the charger on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.